Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Emī Rōzu. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing a sideways oval for the nose. Now on both sides, let's curve it down slightly. Then let's bring it out. And curve it down at the ends. And now let's curve each side down, meeting at the center. Now top and side and draw the mouth. Let's start with the curve. And another one underneath. And then a bump up inside for the tongue. And that's it for the nose and mouth. Now we're going to hop up and draw the eyes. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw a large curve up and down on the left. And the same thing on the right. Now inside at the top, let's add another curve to thicken up the top side of the eyes. And color these both in black. Next, inside each eye, let's draw an oval. And then another one inside on the top left. And then a curve at the bottom. And lastly, for the eyes, let's add 2 eyelashes on the top corners. Now that we're done the face, let's hop out and let's start drawing the hair. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw a curve over to the right. And curve it back up on top. Now we're going to add another piece on top, starting in the center. Let's curve it over. And back in. And then for the next piece, we'll start over on the left. Let's draw a curve up. And back down. Next, we're going to hop to the sides and draw the ears. On the left, let's draw a curve out. And curve it down. And then for the right ear, let's start on top of the hair and let's draw a smaller curve up and bring it down as well. Now for the inside of the ears, we're going to draw 2 curves down. And a curve across at the bottom. Now on each side, let's add a long curve down. And then let's curve it back up next to the cheek to the eyes. And lastly, for the head, let's draw the headband. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve out to the ears on each side of the hair. and continue it down on the other side of the ears, like this. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw 2 curves down. And a curve across at the bottom. Now to continue the dress, let's draw a curve out on each side. And close it off with a curve across. And then inside the dress, let's add another curve at the bottom. And that's it for the dress. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. On each side, let's draw 2 curves down and out. Now let's add an oval at the end of each arm. Now underneath, let's draw the hands, starting with the thumb with a curve down and up. And then a small curve out at the ends. Now let's hop up and let's add an angled line down. And curve it back in to close off each hand. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's start with 2 angles down and out on the left and on the right. And then for the shoes, let's draw a longer curve across. A curve down on each end. And close it off with another curve at the bottom. Next, underneath on the inside, let's draw 2 curves down. And then for the top of the shoe, let's hop out and let's bring it out and down. Then close off the bottom of each shoe with a curve across. Now let's hop in and draw some details. Let's add another curve across the bottom. And then starting from the top, let's bring it down, out, and down. And that's it for Emī Rōzu. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!